As environmental concerns rise, it is no wonder that our current farming systems are being looked at. Since the 1930s, agriculture in the United States has been modified to meet the growing demands of the population. Our conventional farming techniques rely on synthetic chemical fertilizers, fungicides, insecticides, herbicides, monoculture, genetically modified organisms, also known as GMOs, heavy machinery, intensive tillage, and irrigation. These practices have negative effects on the environment and human health. As our global population grows and available resources decline, our current farming practices cannot be sustained, which is why some farmers are alternating their methods. They are adding techniques such as cover cropping, no-till, or conservation tillage, and integrating livestock with rotational grazing and pasture cropping. These methods are known as regenerative farming, which aim to improve soil health and promote overall environmental sustainability, along with bringing nutrients back to our food. However, many studies only focused on one type of regenerative farming practice, not a combination of techniques. This raises the question, how can a combination of regenerative farming practices be used to create sustainable agriculture? And what are the factors influencing whether farmers are adapting the techniques? By analyzing literature from recent scientific sources, it was revealed that individual regenerative techniques can significantly improve soil health, increase biodiversity, and promote water retention. However, there is a critical gap in long-term research, assessing the cumulative effects of combined practices along with long-term environmental data. Additionally, widespread adoption remains limited due to financial, logistical, and social barriers, as well as gaps in education and access to locally tailored information. Surveys conducted in the US, UK, and Australia underscore the importance of farmer knowledge, community support, and policy framework is influencing adoption. Realizing the full potential of regenerative agriculture requires both integrated environmental resource and support for farmers to transition to regenerative practices. Simultaneously, policymakers, educators, and agricultural organizations must work collaboratively to reduce the barriers to adoption through training, financial incentives, infrastructure support, and community-based incentives.